Hi everyone, I'm Leena from Red Astrologer. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I will be sharing the simplest way to find career in your own horoscope. So let's begin. Today is a time when everyone has become so much career conscious, and at the same time there's so many options available. But the sad part is that in majority of cases one is not clear of his passion at young age, which leads to confusion or no clarity, and that results into either failures or you lose interest in work, and also it can make you change your career very frequently. So I believe here Vedic astrology can actually help a person in dilemma. So now let's start with the most important combinations. So friends, if you have to read your own birth chart or for others regarding career, then you have to have complete knowledge about 12 houses, 9 planets, 12 signs, and then also some knowledge about 27 nakshatras. Like what house, Rashi, and planet gives what kind of career options. So don't get nervous on this. For this, you can check my blog on career in astrology. Here is the detailed information, right? Now let's come to the most important combinations that point towards profession are the Lagna Lord and its nakshatra. Then moon sign and its nakshatra, 10th house, planets in the 10th house, and 10th lord. The Navamsa Lagna Lord and its position, 10th Lord of D1 in Navamsa chart, position and conjunction, and then come to the D10 Lagna Lord and its position. Then 10th Lord of D1 in D10 chart. So you have to make a list of all these planets and then come and check the strength of a planet. So here, next, how do we check the strength of a planet? So first of all, you need to have complete knowledge about the planet, like what career is signified by Rashi and what does the element highlights. See, these things have also to be considered, like Rashi element. And like if it's a fiery sign, then you need to get into authoritative and leading roles. And if any airy sign, then you have to get into the intellect based or knowledge based roles. Water sign, then you need to get into nurturing and caring roles. And earthy sign always wants stability and solidarity. And then if it's movable or fixed sign, then profession will be like that. The movable job will always require travel in the job, and fixed sign says that you'll get a sedentary lifestyle. So these small things have to be considered. And then the most important, the career options signified by the planets. Like I mentioned, you can get complete details on all these topics in my blog Career in Astrology. So beginners can keep these details in front of them while analyzing a chart. And after good experience, you don't need to memorize. Then you just keep on adding information to these options. And then lastly, check the nakshatra lord. A quick reference about nakshatras, as this is another vast topic, but right now you just have to gather some clue. In fact, when we talk about nakshatras, a mythological story associated with nakshatra revolves around the person. And nakshatras, they have specific features. But again, in every chart, the nakshatra will work differently. So while analyzing career, just check the lord of nakshatra, shortlisted for your career. Like if moon is in Punarvasu, so here the lord is Jupiter. So the house is ruled by Jupiter, and position of Jupiter will give some clue. Now let us understand these combinations with the help of a case study. Here in this chart, the Lagna is Virgo and its lord is Mercury. And Lagna nakshatra is Uttar Falguni. This is Sun nakshatra. Moon is in the Gemini sign and its lord is Mercury. And moon nakshatra is Punarvasu, a Jupiter star. So planet moon is in the 10th house, being 11th lord. So 10th lord Mercury is in Lagna. So now let's start with 10th house. Here there is a Gemini sign. Now Gemini sign rules social network marketing. And 10th lord is Mercury. And Mercury in Lagna in a Virgo sign represents perfection, criticality, analytics, and calculation, service, sense for details, and practicality. The moon is posited in the 10th house, being the 11th lord. So, the 11th house energy gets linked here. Therefore, gains, profits, social network, all these he will get to work, status, and recognition. And then Lagna chart gives the planets Mercury, Moon, Jupiter. And signs we get here are Gemini and Virgo. Now here you should know that these are main planets shortlisted to give career options. So now we have Mercury in Lagna being the 10th lord and Lagna lord. Now what does Mercury signify? What career option does it give? It gives career options related to communication and calculations, social media, writings, and logical analysis and documentation. And first house represents your image, self-presentation, and personality. So if self gets connected with the 10th house, then the person will do work in which he has attained education. And also he will be promoted in a fast pace. And since Mercury is a fast moving planet and of logical analysis, this will give a good career rise in social media and documentation of work related to the banking and IT industry. So the position of Moon, again a fast moving planet, and in Gemini sign of networking and making relationships. So here this chart shows career options related to Moon and Mercury. And when this person joined job, it was Saturn dasha so going on, and Saturn is 6th lord and exalted in 2nd house. So the Artha house getting activated, and Saturn period signifies hard work, delays and disappointments. But since Saturn is in a good position, so this person actually worked hard for this career, and this eventually paid him. Now let's check the same combination in D9. Now the D9 chart should be used to check the strength of combinations being made in D1 chart. If it is showing some other planet involvement, then it means things will be different from surface, but inside there is different scene, and this will be active a little late. Now here the Lagna is Aquarius and its lord is in the 11th house with Mars, the 10th lord. Okay, so the 10th lord is in 11th house, and 10th lord of D1 Mercury, we saw 10th lord of D1 is Mercury, is in the 2nd house in Pisces sign with Ketu. So now 2nd house represents finance, savings, and Pisces states Jupiter related work. Now here we get Aquarius Lagna, again the 6th lord of D1 chart. This states the person will be giving services in his life, and 10th lord Mars with Saturn in 11th house in Sagittarius sign. So this is the 3rd lord and 12th lord combination in 11th house. This states foreign connection, and 3rd lord is again communication, marketing, social media, documentations, and presentations like we saw in D1 chart. So again Mercury is being highlighted, the 3rd lord is being highlighted. And in 3rd house, Moon and Venus highlights publications and marketing, and also a comfortable environment. See, all the planets, they signify some career options, and some the natural Karaktatwa of the planet also takes the role. Okay, so now 10th lord of D1 Mercury in Pisces sign. See, this is Jupiter again. So now it confirms a foreign connection and the 2nd house of finance and banking. So let's move to D10 chart. Here Lagna is Cancer, moon sign, which is the 11th lord of D1. Okay, so now see 10th lord of D1 Mercury is in Lagna, and it's a lord of 3rd house and 12th house. See, 3rd house and 12th are being repeated here. And the Cancer Lagna again, and Mercury, the 10th lord of D1 posited here, highlights Moon and Mercury's involvement again. And Mercury is the 3rd and 12th lord, and Venus in 2nd house states luxurious workplace. So the 10th lord Mars is in the 3rd house. Ketu's position in the 10th house in Aries, a fiery sign, states a good authoritative profile. Okay, so here in all the 3 charts, there's a combination of Moon, Mercury plus 3rd house. So all these are playing the role. And this person has an MBA degree. Right now, he's working in a bank in a foreign country and in marketing department. And right now, his Mercury dasha has begun, and that will open more opportunities since this is a Lagna Lord dasha and 10th Lord as well. So that's it for today. This way I have explained some combinations that actually can give at least 2-3 career options. So if you have any queries, you can write down in the comments, and if you want consultations, check out the link below and please subscribe to my channel. I will be coming up with other profession combinations like government job, computer engineer, business or job confusion. So see you soon. Take care. Bye.